Good morning students, welcome back to Max Online class. In the previous class, you have learned scientific notation. Today also I am going to continue scientific notation. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.8 fifth problem, simplify. The first question, 2.57 into 10 power 7 plus 1.23 into 10 power 8. We have to simplify this first. 2.75 into 10 power 7 is equal to, already it is in scientific notation. Now 1.23 into 10 power 8, both also in scientific notation. Already I have explained the integers should be equal, then only we can add or subtract. Here 10 power 7, here the power is 10 power 8. Integers not same. So we cannot add. First we want to convert the integers into same. Here you can convert 10 power 8 or this number 10 power 8 you can convert 10 power 7. Okay. First I am writing this number 2.75 into 10 power 7 the same. Next plus this one 1.23 into 10 power 8. We can write it, if you are moving one digit right, the decimal place one digit right means 12.3 into, here the power will be decrease. We moved the decimal point one digit right, so the power will be decrease 1. So 10 power 7 will be get. Is it clear? Here 10 power 7. So I have converted this also into 10 power 7. Now we have to add this. First here also 10 power 7. Here also 10 power 7. So we can add 2.75 plus 12.3 into 10 power 7. Have you all understand? This 2.75 plus 12.3 into 10 power 7. So now we can add 2.75, 12.3. 0 plus 5. Next 7 plus 3, 10, but here 0 we can write here 1. Next 2 plus 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 1. So what we are getting here, 15.05 into 10 power 7. 15.05 into 10 power 7. Now here is it in scientific notation? No. Why? Before the decimal place, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. In the scientific notation, only 1 digit should be there, is it? So we have to move the decimal point 1 digit left. If we are moving the decimal point 1 digit left, what we will be getting? 1.505 into 10 power, what we will be get 10 power 1. This 10 power 7 also we have to write the same. We moved the decimal point 1 digit left, so 10 power 1, power increased, 10 power 1 we are getting. Okay, so it's equal to 1.505 into 10 power 1 plus 7 is equal to 1.505 into 10 power 8 is the answer. Have you all understand this? First what we have to do? 2.57 into 10 power 7 plus 1.23 into 10 power 8. Here integers not same. So we want to convert into same order. Here integers should be same. For that, we can convert this number into 10 power 8 or we can convert this number into 10 power 7. I have written this number same 2.75 into 10 power 7. This 1.23, if we move the decimal place one digit right means the decimal place here the power will be decrease. Okay, decrease 1. So we are getting 12.3 into 10 power 7. 12.3 into 10 power 7. So now the number is 2.75 plus 12.3 into 10 power 7. Both also when we are adding 15.05, we have to add like this only. Points should be down of that. Okay. So 2.75, 12.3. Here 12.3, 0 also included. So 5, here 7 plus 3, 10, 1 balance, 2, 2, 4, 5, 15.05 into 10 power 7. Then now this is not in scientific notation. In scientific notation, only one digit should be there before the decimal place. So I have moved the decimal point one digit left. If we move the decimal place one digit left means what we will be get 10 power 1. 1.505 into 10 power 1 into 10 power 7. Same 10 power 7. So 1.505 into 10 power 1 plus 7. Here I have used the property to a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n is equal to 1.505 into 10 power 8 is the answer. Next exercise 2.8, same exercise, fifth one, second problem. 1.598 into 10 power 17 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. First 1.598 into 10 power 17 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. Here see the integers is not equal, is it? So first what we have to do, we want to convert this into same order. Here 10 power 17, we want to convert this into this number into 10 power 17 or this number we want to convert into 10 power 15. Okay, first I am writing this 1 point here, 2 digits when we are moving in right, what we will be get 159.8 into 10 power, which one, if you are moving here, what we will be get 10 power minus 2 into 10 power 17. Okay, here decimal place 3 digits more right. So what we are getting? What we are getting? 159.8 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power 17 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. So here 159.8 into here when we are adding what will we get? 10 power minus 2 plus 17 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. Is it clear? For converting this both also into integers should be same. For that only I have moved the decimal points 2 digits right. So 159.8 into 10 power minus 2. 2 places, decimal point 2 places moved right means we can write 10 power minus 2. The same 10 power 17. When we are adding both, what we are getting? 159.8 into 10 power 15 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. When we are subtracting, what we are getting? When we are subtracting, here we can include one 0. Borrow it and subtract it. Borrowing time is 7 will be get. Here 10 will be get. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. 2. 7 minus 5. 2. Point. Next 9 minus 4. 5. Next here 5. 1. So we are getting 155.22 into 10 power 15. Before that, one more step we can write 159.8 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. When we are subtracting, we are getting 155.22 into 10 power 15. 10 power 15. Now, what we can write it? We have to move the decimal point. Now, is it in scientific notation? No, it is not in scientific notation. For converting in scientific notation, what we have to do? We want to move the decimal point 2 digit left. When we are moving in 2 digit left, what we are getting? 1.5522 into 10 power minus 2 or plus 2. We move the decimal point 2 digit left. So what we have to write it? 10 power 2. Here we move the decimal point 2 digits right. So I have written 10 power minus 2. Here we are moving the decimal point 2 digit left. So we have to write 10 power 2 into 10 power 15. So it's equal to 1.5522 into 10 power 2 plus 15. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. It's equal to 1.5522 into 10 power 17 is the answer. Have you all understand this? First we want to convert the indices to should be same. Afterwards we have to subtract that. And again here you see that it is not in scientific notation. Again we want to convert this into scientific notation and we have to write it. Have you all understand this? Now I am going to explain the third problem. Fifth one, exercise 2.8, fifth one, third problem. Simplify 1.02 into 10 power 10, 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. Here, for multiplication and division, integers not equal means also we can multiply or divide. Already I have explained this. Is it? Okay, 1.02 into 10 power 10. 20 into 10 power minus 3. First what we have to do that the number we have to take it together. Okay, when we are taking the number together 1.02 into 1.20 into next 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, 1.02 into 1.20 into 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 3. Next, we have to multiply this both also. When we are multiplying, how we have to multiply? First 102, 120 without 0 also we can multiply. With the 12 you multiply. Okay, when we are multiplying with the 12, what we are getting? 2 2s are 4. Next 0, 1 2 is 2. Next 1 digit we want to leave it. Next 1 2 is 2. 1 into 0 0. 1 1 is 1. And it 4 2 2 1. How many places we have to move the decimal point? 1 2 3, not 4. We didn't write this 0. So we have to move the decimal point how many places? Here, after the decimal place, how many digits are there? You want to count it. 1, 2, next 3. The 0 we didn't take when we are multiplying. So we no need to include 4 digit. Here 1, 2, 3 digit. 3 digit we want to move the decimal point. When we are moving the decimal point, 2 digit left, what we are getting? 3 digits left, what we are getting? Here point will become. So we are getting 1.224 into, here we have to use the property a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This property when we are using, what we are getting? 10 power 10 plus minus 3 is equal to 1.224 into 10 plus minus 3 plus and minus. When we are adding, what we have to do? We have to subtract and greater number symbol we have to write it. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 10 power plus 7 is the answer. Have you all understand this? Okay. Next exercise 2.9, fifth one, fourth problem. (8.41 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 power 5. Here also indices not equal. If it is not equal means also we can divide. What we want to do first? First what we can do this? 8 point here. Convert this into, first convert, this is in scientific notation. Here without decimal number we want to write it. For that, if you want to convert it, this 4.3 into 43 means which number we want to multiply? 10 we want to multiply in the numerator and denominator. When we are multiplying 10 in the numerator and denominator, what we are getting? 8.41 into 10 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 into 10 power 5 is equal to, moving here, multiplying with the 10 means we can move the decimal point 1 digit right. Multiplying with the 10 means we can move the decimal point 1 digit right. Okay. So if we move the decimal point 1 digit right means we want to write 10 power minus 1. But 1 digit right, here 10 is there means multiply with the 10 means we want to move the decimal point 1 digit right. So 84.1 divided by 4.3 into 10, 43 into, next this number how we want to write it? 10 power 4 a power m by a power n means what we can write? A power m by a power n means a power m minus n. A power m minus n. So 10 power 4 by 10 power 15. Here I am writing the same, 10 power 4 by 10 power 15. So 84.1 by 43 into 10 power 4 minus 5. Here when we are writing a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So 10 power 4 minus 5. When we are dividing, what we are getting? So what we are getting when we are dividing? 84.1 43. Here when we are multiplying 43 into 2 means what number we are getting? 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 86. It is greater than 84. So one time only it will be go. So what we are getting one time? 43. Balance. Here 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. Next here we want to include find and one digit we want to take it down. 411. So which number? Next 43 into, it is nearly 430. So we can multiply with 9 times. 9 or 8 times it will be go. Okay. So 10 times means 430. So it is nearly 430. So we can multiply 9 times. 9 3s are 27. 2 balance. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 9 times 387. Here 0, here 11 when we are borrowing. Next here 4, here 3 will be get, here 10. So 2. Next again we can include 0 here. When we are including 0, what we are getting? When we are including 0, 240. 240, how many times? 5 times when we are multiplying, what we are getting? 43 into 5 means 5 3s are 15, 1 balance. Next 2 4s are 5 4s are 20, 21, 215. 6 times means whether it will go for 6 times? No. So we can write 5 times 215. 5 times 215. Next subtracting time, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 3 minus 1, 2. 25. Again we can include 0. How many times it will go? 5 6 times means 5 times 215. 6 times means 6 3s are 24. 6 3s are 18. Next 1 balance. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1. 25. 258. It is greater than 250. So again 5 times we will be get 215. When we are subtracting 5. Next here 4 minus 1 is 3. 0. It will be next number. Next which number will be get it? More than 5 will be get. Is it? 43 into 7 means 7. 8 means what will be get? 9 times 387. 8 means 8 3s are 24. Next 2 balance. 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So 8 times we are getting 347. Subtracting times 3 balance. So when we are writing in 3 places of decimal, what we have to write? It is in 4 places of decimal. When we are rounding up into 3 places, we have to write it 1.95. It is more than 5. The fourth digit is more than 5 means here we can include one more. We can add one more and write 1.956 into here 10 power 4 minus 5. What is 10 power 4 minus 5? 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 is the answer. Have you all understand this? One more time. First 8.41 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 power 5. The question. First 8.41 into 10 power 4 by 4.3 into 10 power 5. It's equal to 8.41 into first 10 here. The denominator is the denominator decimal number is there means it is difficult to divide. So convert this into rational number. Decimal number we want to convert into rational number. So integer number we want to convert. So we want to multiply the numerator and denominator into 10. When we are multiplying numerator and denominator into 10, here 4.3 into 10, 43 will be get. 8.41 into 10, 84.1 will be get. Into 10 power 4 by 10 power 5. Next 8.41 into 84.1 by 43 into 10 power 4 minus 5. Here 10 power 4 by 10 power 5. We can write 10 power 4 minus 5 is equal to, when we are dividing 84.1 by 43, we are getting 1.9558. Here fourth digit is more than 5. More than 5 means when we are rounding up into 3 places of decimal, here we have to add one more. 5 plus 1 means we will be get 6. So we can write 1.956 into 10 power minus 1. Is it in scientific notation? Is it in scientific notation? Yes. Okay. So we can write the same. 1.956 into 10 power minus 1. Have you all understand this? Okay. In the second lesson, in the real numbers, whatever you have learned, rational numbers, irrational numbers, converting rational numbers into decimal, converting irrational number into decimal, converting decimal into rational, everything I have explained afterwards scientific notation. Everything, have you all understand this? Okay. Next class, I will start the new lesson, mensuration. I will start mensuration. Okay. Thank you, students.